From Bharat briefly. Breaking news. Survivor recounts narrow escape during deadly Nepal flash flood. A 24-year-old laborer named Bibek Kumal survived a deadly flash flood in Bidur, Nepal, by clinging to a mango tree after a wall of water swept away his workplace. The disaster, which has killed at least 98 people and left hundreds missing, was triggered by a mudslide along the Nepal-Tibet border. Why it matters? The account of the survivor underscores the sudden and devastating nature of the flash floods that have devastated communities near the Himalayan border. Follow Bharat briefly for the news that matters.